Timeless nature. Timeless nature embraces the enduring beauty of the natural world, using earthy reds, deep greens, and organic neutrals, inspired by vintage botanical illustrations and heirloom florals. Timeless nature is a sanctuary for natural things, a sanctuary mainly for our hummingbird. We've captured the hummingbird in tabletop sculptures, candle holders, and framed wall art, hand-painted ceramic containers with floral motif, metal sculpted botanical candle holders. Dressy brass containers elevate the look for success. Floral tapestry pillows soften the feel with beautiful layered botanicals. Timeless nature balances bold blooms with sculptural vessels, matte finishes, and natural textures. The result is a look that feels rooted in tradition yet relevant for modern living.